All right, what's going on, everybody? Today's video is about the PeckPerk AI-powered bird feeder. It's also solar powered. They sent me this solar powered version of it, along with feed. It's like some hot feast feed, which they destroyed. Like there's no more in here. So they cleaned this thing out. At first I was kind of skeptical because they wasn't even touching it. At first I had one bird coming a lot. I think it was like a titmouse or something like that. I hope I'm saying that right. And that was the only bird coming for a while. But then after that one, more and more started discovering it. And then they were just over here like crazy. And like I said, this thing is empty now. So I would say that that actual bird food is pretty good. Cause like I said, it's all gone. I like it. It's pretty solid. The only downside about this thing, it seems like it doesn't really tell me the birds that come. And the app seems a little glitchy. I don't know if they're gonna wind up fixing that or not. But it definitely detects the motion. It definitely will show you like what's going on, like, you know. But other than the app being a little glitchy and it not exactly telling me what kind of birds are on the screen, they'll say a squirrel's visited. It hasn't been no squirrel, it's been birds, but yeah, that's the only downside to this thing, but hopefully they'll fix that. But other than that, I like it. The camera holds its charge well, as far as with the solar charger, it holds it well. They got different options of strapping onto the tree or screwing into the tree. I chose to strap. I didn't really want to drill into the tree personally, but other than that, it's a solid device. I appreciate the people at PeckPerk sending this out, and if you're interested in getting you one, I'll put the links and stuff down in the description, get you some percentage off, and enjoy your own little AI-powered bird feeder. You know we like our birds around here, and to the next one.